In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $10,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. I made this commission in the month of April, from the first day of April until the day 18th of April. Okay, I made $10,250. Okay, using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting using free traffic. I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate link, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. Okay, and for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can start using free traffic to earn commission, and so much more. So let's get started. So first, for people who are new to my YouTube channel, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just have to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page. So just come to this page, scroll down, go to community, and click over here on affiliate. And here you go, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, and this is the best profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start. Okay, so just click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, super easy, guys. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Facebook. We will use Facebook to promote our affiliate links for free, and you need to choose a good service and profitable service so you can earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, click on the search and search for SEO. Okay, search for this service, SEO service. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in this page, and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good seller. Okay, always should choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. For example, I will do page SEO for WordPress. Let me see if we can find a good one. I will do monthly of page SEO service. Like this one is really looking good. Okay, this one and this one also looking good. I will rank your site in Google with the flow. Let's choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service. Okay, like this, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. Okay, and you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link. Okay, and here you go. So put this seller profile link here like this, and click on save, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. So you guys all have Facebook account. So just open your Facebook account like this. Super easy. Click on the search for SEO. Okay, you have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups related to SEO. Okay, you guys don't know the potential of Facebook groups. So did you know that that Facebook has 16 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from Facebook. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific products on Facebook. Okay, Facebook page and Facebook groups. So anyway, just search, like I said, search for SEO, join all those groups related to SEO. Let's for example, let's choose this group. I want to choose this one. I will click on this group, the first one. I will be directly in this group. I will scroll down, and here you go. This person just posted this post today searching for SEO expert. I need SEO expert. Let's scroll down, and if we scroll down again, let's see, we can find more people searching for SEO expert. Okay, and here is another person just posted this post today. I need SEO expert. Okay, if we scroll again, we can find a lot of people here. Here is another person. Okay, I need SEO expert. Please inbox me. Okay, this person searching for SEO expert. So what you will do, you will click on his name. I will click on message. Okay, and I will send a professional and friendly message to this person with my affiliate link. So how we can create a friendly message? So what you will do, we will use AI. You guys should start using AI in your business. Okay, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, and here you go. As you can see, you just need to click on message and ask ChatGPT like this question, or you can create your own message if you want. So for me, I ask ChatGPT create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy SEO service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And ChatGPT created this amazing and friendly message. Okay, are you looking to boost your online presence and reach more potential customers? Look no further. I'm excited to share with you an incredible SEO service that can help take your business to the next level. With search engine optimization, SEO, your website can rank higher on Google and other search engines, driving more organic traffic and increasing your visibility online. It's amazing. Okay, you guys really should start using AI in your business. Okay, and here you go. You have this option here. I have personally had fantastic results with, and you will put your affiliate link here on Fiverr. Their team of expert has helped. It's amazing. Okay, this is amazing. I will just copy this message. Okay, I will go back to Facebook to this person who is looking for a SEO expert. I will put this message here like this. I will delete this part to make it just like it's a human message. Okay, like this. Hey there. I will scroll down, and here you go. You have this part. I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, so what you will do next, just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. You guys can't see this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. I have old account, it's almost like 4 years. So I have this option. So for you, if you have new accounts, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, it's almost the same. So anyway, as you can see guys, this affiliate link is too much long. So for me, I really like to make those affiliate links short. So I always use this website. If you want to use it, you can go and search for on Google for this website. This website make long links short, okay? And you can use it for free. And it doesn't matter, it's not important. You can use your affiliate link like this if you want. So for me, I just like to use it short, and I will click on copy my affiliate link from here. I will go back to Facebook and I will put my affiliate link here, and here you go. Your message is now a good message, okay? I will also, you can put your name here if you want. I will delete this part. I will just keep it like this. I will click on send, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person like this, okay? And here you go. Your affiliate link will be sent like this, okay? This is your affiliate link, and this is your message. If this person is still looking for SEO expert, he will message you back. If he is wants SEO expert, he will click on your affiliate link, for example, like this. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will check the seller. He will see a lot of reviews here. He will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. And that's it. This seller has a lot of reviews, good reviews here, as you can see. Like this customer from United States put 5 star for this service. That's really good. And that's it guys. I show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services. Like this person is searching for, I need SEO expert, and this seller here on Fiverr is providing this service. So it's like you will connect buyers with sellers and you will earn commission. You just need to know how you can do it correctly, and I share with you the method that you can use. The business model is clear, so what's left is your work, okay? They will stay consistent, they will improve your methods, they will do more research, try to find more profitable services, and so much more. You will think outside the box. Don't just talk with people who speak English. Go search for people who speak Spanish, speak Facebook groups about Spanish, Facebook groups about French language, and so much more, okay? You need to think outside the box. Don't do what everyone doing. But as beginner, you can just start with this method, okay? You will start making few commission, then you can improve your methods and think outside the box and you can even use your own methods, okay? If you scroll down in this group, like I said guys, you can find a lot of people. Here is another person, SEO expert needed. This person is searching for SEO expert, okay? If we scroll down, we can find a lot of people here who search for SEO expert. Here is another person, off page SEO expert needed immediately. This person searching for SEO expert. I need SEO expert ASAP. This person searching for SEO expert. So what are you waiting for? Do you will try? Do you will take actions? It's up to you guys. I show you how you can find profitable services. I show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. So it's up to you. You just need to learn how you can sell, how you can convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using to earn commission every single month. I'm not just using Facebook. I use YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, and so much more to get free traffic and earn commission. I'm also guys working on a course that will cover everything, okay, from scratch, that will share with you a lot of new methods, advanced methods that will help you earn commission and so much more. So if you are interested in this business, comment in this video affiliate marketing. If a lot of people are interested, I will try to make this course done in the next week and publish it and share with you guys the link that you can get it from, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.